This way, it'll be cool. I'm Kyler, and today we're going to be installing this Kage curb guard kit on this 8-foot SnowFire. This is made out of grade 3 ADI iron. What this does is it makes it so that you can run up along a curb line and it'll make your base angle last longer. All I have is a 15/16 socket, and I'm just going to loosen these two nuts. The nice thing about our curb guards is they're reversible, so you can put them on each side. So if this side starts to wear down, you can just put this curb guard on the driver's side of your plow and the driver's side on this side, so you have fresh, new edges. I missed.